Welcome back my dear friends. In previous video, we have created our first project in Spring Boot. In this video, we will understand the file structure or the project structure that is created when we download our first project. This demo project we have created. So mainly I will explain 4 to 5 things here that will be very much important for you. If I explain everything together, it might be a little burden for you. So let me explain the things which are of most important for you. So first one is our main application. Here you can notice we have our main method. So this class trigger our project. Now the second most important file, last file, pom.xml. This pom stands for project object model. So to understand this file, it mainly contains whatever the dependencies which you have downloaded from web. We have downloaded only web dependencies, but few of the dependencies have come together with this project. That is test dependency. This will be used to test your application. So you have to understand mainly one thing here, that this pom.xml file contains your project dependencies as well as your project properties like project name, project description, Spring Boot version. Our third most important file is inside this resources. So once you click it, you can see that this file is blank. So there is nothing in this file. So what is the application of this file? The main application, as the name suggests, you can define properties for your application. Like in the beginning, when we were running our first project, we noticed that our project was running on 8080 port. So if we want to change the port, this is possible through this application.properties file. And if you want to configure data source for your project, that is, if you want to connect your project to database, you have to define the properties in this file, application.properties file. So I will show you one of the use cases. I will set server.port equal to 9090. So here what we are doing, previously our project was running on 8080 port by default, but what we are doing, we are changing that port to 9090. So let's try to rerun our project. You can easily notice here that your project is running on 9090 port. This Tomcat started on 9090 port. So here I have given you one example of this application.properties file, but this application.properties file has lot of applications that is directly related to your project properties, your application properties. That's why it is named as application properties. So these were the three files. First one was your main application file, that was your class file. Second was your project object model, POM file, and third file was application.property. So these are the three files that are of at most important. And if you do not worry about any other file, if you do not care about any other file, it won't create any problem. But these three files you have to understand. At least you have to know the basic operation. What are the usage of this three file? We can explore the other things in source text. If you explore this, here you can find your test classes. This will be used when you will be performing unit test on your project. Now if you explore this JRE system library, this is your Java. You can see here Java SE 1.8. This is your jar included from Java, and this is your Maven dependency. So you can see here lot of dependencies has been downloaded. See, the first one is web dependency that we included in our project. So if you do not get also what are those files, you do not need to worry. Slowly you will get everything. But at least you should have a basic idea of the operation related to those files, especially the three files which I mentioned. So that is all for this video, my dear friends. We have stepped one more step towards learning this course. In next video, that is going to be very important, as well as in that video you are going to have a lot of fun, because in that video you are going to create your first API in Java. and that is not going to take more than 10 minutes of your time. So see you in the next video, my dear friends. Till then, take care, stay happy, keep learning. Also, if you are getting benefit from these videos, please don't forget to share these videos with your friends who wants to learn Spring Boot.